do swear in name of Allah and my mother, do swear in name of Allah and my mother.
Shri B.Z. Zameer Ahmad Khan ಇವರನ್ನು ಸಂಪುಟ ದರ್ಜೆ ಸಚಿವರಾಗಿ ಅಧಿಕಾರ ಪದ ಹಾಗೂ ಗೌಪ್ಯತಾ ಪ್ರಮಾಣ ವಚನ ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸಲು ಆಹ್ವಾನಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. I, B.Z. Zameer Ahmad Khan, do swear in name of Allah and my mother, solemnly affirm that I will be true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India by establish that I will uphold my sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will fulfill and consider discharge my duties as a minister for the state of Karnataka, that I will do the right to all the manners of people according to the Constitution of law without fear and favor, affection, ill will. I, Zameer Ahmad Khan, do swear in name of Allah and my mother, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty. I, Zameer Ahmad Khan, do swear in name of Allah and my mother, solemnly affirm that I will not directly or indirectly connected or reveal of any person or persons any matter which shall be brought to the state of Karnataka state might be of due of discharge my duties as a minister.
हेलो
मिल्लत टाइम्स को आपकी ज़रूरत है, हमारी आप माली मदद करें।